Land alongside the historic Llano River is increasingly difficult to find. Located just 7 miles south of London, Texas, the plus or minus 58-acre Llano River Ranch presents a great opportunity to own a manageable-sized tract on this beautiful waterway. The raw land offers several locations to build your dream getaway or permanent ranch home. Well-maintained fences, including cross-fencing, separate the ranch into pastures, and a mix of grassland and native tree cover is ideal for wildlife and livestock. The park-like river frontage provides easy access to the water, where guests can swim, kayak, fish, and enjoy the soothing sounds of flowing water. Highway frontage, a dependable water well, and readily available electricity make this a turnkey property that's ready for a new owner to enjoy on day one. For your opportunity to view the Llano River Ranch in person, contact Bo Cook & Associates.